Welcome back, everyone. Here we dive deep into the world of new cars and motorcycles, exploring the latest innovations, performance, and design elements that keep automotive enthusiasts on the edge of their seats. So if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the latest reviews and in-depth looks at the vehicles defining the future of the road. Today we're looking at a motorcycle that has redefined middleweight sport bikes and taken the market by storm since its debut, the 2025 Aprilia RS 660. Aprilia is known for making serious high-performance bikes that excel both on the track and on the streets, and the RS 660 is no exception. With this 2025 model, they've made tweaks to an already fantastic machine, elevating it to new levels of style, technology, and performance. Let's start with the design. If you've seen the RS 660 before, you'll know that Aprilia's design language is incredibly sharp, almost aggressive, yet balanced. The 2025 RS 660 has evolved with subtle changes that make it look even more dynamic. Aprilia has retained its sleek lines and modern aerodynamic styling, but they've added more refined touches to the bike's profile, making it clear that this isn't just a sport bike, it's a statement. The LED headlight setup, the way the fairing wraps around the engine, and the colors, it all comes together in a look that demands attention. Now, let's talk about the heart of the RS 660, the engine. Aprilia has kept the parallel twin engine, which produces a powerful 100 horsepower, ensuring that the RS 660 stays nimble and quick. The 660cc engine isn't just about raw speed, it's about balanced performance that's usable in real-world conditions. You get an engaging ride with plenty of torque in the mid-range, which makes it perfect for twisty roads, urban riding, or weekend rides. Aprilia has made some adjustments to the engine tuning, refining its performance curve to give it an even smoother power delivery across the range. This engine is paired with Aprilia's advanced electronics package, which we'll dive into in a bit, but just know that it's built to give you as much control as possible. You get the thrill of a sport bike without the sometimes intimidating power that bigger bikes can have. Speaking of control, let's move into the handling of the RS 660, which has been one of its standout features. With the 2025 model, Aprilia continues to prioritize an agile feel that makes the RS 660 one of the best handling bikes in its class. It's lightweight and features a well-balanced chassis that gives you confidence in corners. The suspension setup is also impressive, with a fully adjustable front fork and rear shock, allowing riders to tailor their setup for their style or road conditions. The seating position on the RS 660 is another aspect that adds to its versatility. It's sporty enough for aggressive riding, but comfortable enough for longer rides, making it a rare blend in the sport bike segment. Aprilia has been mindful of the ergonomic design, ensuring that this bike is accessible and comfortable for a wider range of riders. Now, let's dive into the tech, because this is an area where Aprilia truly shines. The RS 660 is loaded with Aprilia's PRC Aprilia Performance Ride Control Suite, which includes a variety of rider aids to enhance safety and performance. You've got adjustable traction control, multiple riding modes, wheelie control, and even cruise control. Yes, you heard that right, cruise control on a sport bike. Aprilia has really gone the extra mile in making the RS 660 adaptable to various riding styles and environments. One of the standout features in the APRC system is the cornering ABS, which allows for safer braking in turns. This is a game changer for riders looking to push the limits on twisty roads or even the track. With cornering ABS, the bike can detect lean angle and adjust braking pressure, providing confidence-inspiring control. And the quick shift system on the RS 660 is another fantastic addition, allowing seamless gear changes without using the clutch. This system works for both upshifts and downshifts, keeping you focused on the road and enhancing the overall riding experience. Then there's the 5-inch full-color TFT display, which is clear, bright and packed with information. It's intuitive to navigate, and it offers everything from real-time performance data to customizable settings for each riding mode. You can even connect your smartphone for notifications and media control through Aprilia's Mia app. When it comes to safety, the RS 660 doesn't compromise. Apart from the cornering abs, there's also an improved traction control system that adapts to changing road conditions and the rider's preferences. This is especially valuable for riders who use the RS 660 for both weekend rides and commuting in varying weather. One area where Aprilia has continued to impress is in fuel efficiency. The RS 660 offers a reasonable fuel economy for a sport bike of its class, allowing for longer rides without frequent stops. It's designed to be a sport bike that doesn't break the bank on fuel, which is rare in this segment. Moving on to accessories, Aprilia offers a range of options to personalize the RS 660. From racing-inspired components to more practical accessories like luggage systems, you can set this bike up for a variety of riding experiences. Aprilia's accessory range is extensive, allowing you to enhance both the look and functionality of your RS 660. Now, let's talk about one of the most important factors, the price. Aprilia has positioned the RS 660 competitively within the middleweight sport bike segment, offering serious value considering its high-tech features, powerful engine, and top-notch design. When you consider all that you're getting, it's clear that this bike is a great option for riders who want the thrill of a sport bike without the sky-high price tag of larger, more track-focused bikes. As we get to the end of our review, it's clear that the 2025 Aprilia RS 660 is an exceptional middleweight sport bike that strikes a balance between thrilling performance, high-tech features, and stunning design. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a more manageable bike for the streets, or a newer rider wanting to step up from a smaller bike, the RS 660 has something to offer. The 2025 Aprilia RS 660 takes everything that's great about its predecessors and adds even more refinement and versatility. Aprilia has truly crafted a bike that's as enjoyable on a winding road as it is on a daily commute. And with Aprilia's commitment to quality, this is a bike you can count on for years to come. That wraps up today's deep dive into the 2025 Aprilia RS 660. Let us know in the comments if you'd consider the RS 660 for your next ride, or if there's another bike you think gives it a run for its money. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and insights into the world of new cars and bikes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.